Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. If you want to make the explainer video, any brand promotion video, any presentation video, whatever, you will be able to make it using this kind of a AI. Here, this is a simple video. This is a long video I have made for 7 minutes long. So this is easy. No AI can give us to this kind of a duration. Okay, this is more than 8 minute duration. No AI can reveal this secret. So this kind of a video, if you give the information according to your information, the video has been made. Okay, so how to make this video step by step, I'll be teach. Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I'm going to reveal the secret of Notebook LM. How to create the Notebook LM videos and we can earn money. Okay, nowadays there are more people are doing create the video on NotebookLM. So this features is recently released. So go to that particular website NotebookLM. So here, when you go to that official website, here this is the NotebookLM. So you try NotebookLM here. Okay. So here, if you are the if you come to the first time, you must it asks your Gmail account to log in. I already log in via my Gmail account, so that it not ask my Gmail account while login. So create here. Okay. So here in this process, you can see there's a video overview. So here you can see uh, if you maybe work on the YouTuber or you can work or create a viral video, something else. You just go to search something else. So I'm going to search. There are many people are searching the video like weight loss. There are many people are searching on these videos, weight loss. Then weight loss. How to lose their weights. Okay, quickly. So all things are they are thinking. Okay, the same thing you can if you are going to doing the presentation for Java program, something, the same thing. So here, weight loss, you can see there are plenty of blocks are there. So I'm going to this block links, copy these links and paste on this source. Okay, click it. Again, I'm going to click second, add another source. This one, copy, click it here. So we have two different links I have attached it here. Now the both as how to reduce weight. Okay, so in order to make the video, so what I'm going to say, we have to summarize both links together, and we have to go to that video view and click generate. So we have to click one of these. So I am going to create the one whiteboard video. So I can click on it. There are a lot of things. So you need what kind of a video. So I select this one, generate. Now you have to wait. This you will be able to see the video study. You will be able to play this video. So this completely, I'm going to get that two links.
Welcome to this explainer.
Yeah, it is duration will be 7 minutes duration. This is a long video I have made. So this kind of a video, they are the frequently the people are uploading on YouTube. So if you provide the good informations, that is a good thing. So the here this you are getting the good information from that particular website. These two websites and make the video. So you will be able to see the videos.
We're taking evidence-based advice straight from Healthline and the UK's National Health Service, the NHS, and distilling it down into a totally practical, sustainable playbook for your absolutely does not care about a magazine's timeline. Without all the excess calories. you also need healthy fats, right?
Here this everything it is explaining in detail. So this kind of a video you will be able to make very simple way. Okay, you can try on that notebook LM. This kind of a simple video will be able to make it. Not this. If you want, if you are on script also, you can just put this chat box and you can select the video overview. Based on your script, that video has been generated along with the images also. It automatically generated that according to that script. Okay, you don't care about this, you will be, it is automatically take care of it. Okay, this kind of a video you'll be able to make it on notebook LM. It is a very powerful tool nowadays. You can you will, if you want to do any presentation so of the video, this kind of a video you'll be able to this kind of a video you have to make it and upload, and your promotional video, whatever kind of a video you can try on it. Try like this way. Thank you for watching.